In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your brand appearance, logo, theme, color, and font. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each option does, so your brand looks polished and consistent across your workspace. First, head to Settings on the left side of your screen. This is usually found in the main navigation or sidebar. Clicking into Settings is your starting point for all configuration options, and it's where the visual controls for your brand live. Next, select Brand Appearance. This section brings all your look and feel controls together. After you click it, give the page a moment to load. Depending on your connection and how your system is set up, it may take a few seconds. Waiting for it to fully load helps ensure the previews and controls display correctly, so the changes you make will be accurate. Now let's update the logo. Choose a clear, high-resolution file that represents your brand well. A transparent PNG is a reliable choice if you want the logo to sit cleanly on different backgrounds. Aim for a version that's legible at smaller sizes and has enough contrast to be recognizable. If your platform shows a preview, scan it quickly to confirm edges are crisp and colors look right. Next, adjust your theme color. This is the primary accent color for buttons, links, and highlights. Pick the color that best matches your brand's identity and keep accessibility in mind. Strong contrast between text and background is key for readability. If you know your brand's hex code, enter it. Otherwise, use the color picker and verify it looks consistent across the interface. Then choose your font. Select a typeface that reflects your brand's personality while staying easy to read. Sans serif fonts tend to be clean and modern. Serif fonts can feel classic and formal. If the interface allows separate choices for headings and body text, consider a pairing that's harmonious but distinct. Above all, prioritize legibility at various sizes. Once you're happy with your logo, theme color, and font, it's time to save. Click Save to apply your changes. You may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and click Yes, Save to finalize. This confirmation helps prevent accidental changes and ensures your selections stick. That's it. You've navigated to Settings on the left, opened Brand Appearance, waited for it to load, updated the logo, theme color, and font, and then saved and confirmed. Your brand's visual identity is now consistent and professional across your workspace. Thanks for watching.